Well, Parliament winter session is all set to begin, and there's one already with the SIR versus Vande Mataram issue. Now, over the next few days, the government and the opposition are expected to clash sharply with the controversial special intensive revision of the voter rolls at the centre of the storm. Now, opposition parties have warned that they will not allow the House to run unless the government agrees to a detailed discussion in revision process, which they allege is opaque and politically driven. Another flashpoint on the agenda of the national security after the recent blast near Red Fort, the opposition wants full debate on intelligence gaps and law enforcement failures. Air pollution is another issue that is set to dominate the session. With Delhi and large parts of northern India choking under the hazardous air quality, MPs across party lines are expected to demand a stronger coordinated national response to the AQI issue.
देखिए, इलेक्टोरल रिफॉर्म्स के नाम के ऊपर जो लोकतंत्र की हत्या हो रही है, अगर लोकतंत्र नहीं बचेगा तो फिर पार्लियामेंट का मतलब क्या बचेगा? तो वो तो सबसे पहले है, इलेक्शन कमीशन को निरंकुश कर दिया है। इतनी निरंकुशता संविधान के अंदर तो हर चीज पे चेक एंड बैलेंस था, आपने तो इसको निरंकुश कर दिया। कोर्ट में भी नहीं जा सकते, कोई FIR नहीं हो सकती, कोई काम नहीं हो सकता इनके अगेंस्ट। तो आपने कर क्या दिया इनके लिए? हम तो बढ़ा लेंगे अपनी सोच को, लेकिन आप भी बताइए ना कि आपने 47 लाख वोट, जो कि 67 लाख काटे थे, उसमें से 21 लाख मृतक दिखाए आपने, तो जो 46 लाख वोट बचे, वो 46 लाख लोग कहाँ हैं?
नहीं, सरकार चर्चा करने के लिए तैयार है। संसदीय कार्य मंत्री ने कल कहा भी है हाल पार्टी मीटिंग में कि हम SIR हो या सभी विषयों पर चर्चा करने के लिए तैयार है, लेकिन आखिर प्रस्ताव देंगे किसी नियम में, उसको स्पीकर साहब मंजूर करेंगे, फिर चर्चा होगी, समय निर्धारित होगा। लेकिन अभी सदन अगर शुरू होगा और सदन के बेल में आकर के हंगामा खड़ा करके सदन को अगर बाधित कर रहे हैं तो SIR पे चर्चा नहीं करना चाहते हैं। वो सदन को हंगामे से की भेंट, जैसे पिछली बार भी सत्र हुआ, और SIR पे क्या चर्चा करेंगे? बिहार की जनता ने जो जनादेश दिया है, 90 दिन तक लगातार राहुल गांधी तेजस्वी ने SIR को मुद्दा बना के बिहार की हर कंस्टिट्यूंसी में गए, और बिहार का जो अप्रत्याशित जनादेश आया उसने SIR पे जवाब दे दिया।
पार्लियामेंट चलने नहीं देंगे, किसी ने नहीं कहा है, वो मुद्दे रखेंगे ये कहा है, लेकिन एक इशू को लेकर के पार्लियामेंट चलने नहीं देंगे अगर कोई कहा है तो गलत बात है। नहीं, प्रोटेस्ट नहीं होगा, प्रोटेस्ट हम नहीं होने के लिए अपील करेंगे, अगर करता है तो देख लेंगे।
Majority forces' view are not being expressed in the floor of the parliament. This is we have said also. We have said that allocate more time for the opposition. If you see that 100%, 70% times are taken by the treasury bench and this government. Question hours to 0 hours, etc., etc., etc. In a floor of parliament is a floor of the opposition, not of the government, and that is well recognized parliamentary practice over the world. But here we have reduced the time allocation is 30% to the opposition, 70% is the treasury bench.
आज शीतकालीन सत्र मात्र 19 दिनों के लिए, जिसमें से सिर्फ 15 दिनों के अंदर चर्चा हो सकती है, शायद सबसे छोटा ये शीतकालीन सत्र होगा। और इस शीतकालीन सत्र के आयोजन में देरी भी हुई है, और इसीलिए ऐसा लगता है कि सरकार खुद पार्लियामेंट को डिरेल करना चाहती है।
I've been now joined in by my colleague Sabya Sachi, who is in fact reporting on the issues that could in fact come up in Parliament. Sabyasachi, of course, the government wants a discussion on Vande Mataram, but at the same time, the opposition have their agenda in place as well. They are trying to push for SIR, intelligent lapses when it comes to the Delhi blast. A whole series of agenda setting that is also being set at the moment by the opposition, especially this is what are the issues that they want to discuss about. The government, in fact, is also looking at moving key bills, something like the excise bill that we are looking at. This is something that is also crucial. Nirmala Sitharaman would be in fact moving that particular bill. So 14 bills, crucial bills are there in the winter session that we are looking forward to. How is the situation going to be when we see the parliament starting? Because one crucial factor that has been raised is that the functioning of the parliament has been severely affected over the last couple of years as well, especially with opposition walkouts, lack of debates happening. How do you think this time also it will pan out?
Well, Varghese, see this time as well, it's going to be a very stormy session because as far as the opposition is concerned, the opposition seems to be united as far as their demand on the SIR is concerned, because at the all-party meeting which was held inside the parliament, that was called by Defence Minister Rajnath Singh, and Parliamentary Affairs Minister Mr. Kiran Rijiju was also present in that meeting. Now, in that all-party meeting, the opposition had put out a united face stating that they want a discussion on the SIR and they want a discussion on the first day of the winter session as well. Now, not only the SIR, but also they want discussion as far as a national security issue is concerned, because what happened in the national capital, and also on other issues like the rising pollution level across the national capital region and other states as well. Now, the opposition is very adamant on the fact that if the parliament would be allowed to function, now the onus completely lies on the central government. Now the opposition very categorically have put forward this message that if the central government does not allow discussion as far on SIR is concerned, then there is going to be disruption, then there is going to be sloganeering, and the person who's going to be responsible for it is the central government. Though yesterday when the Business Advisory Council meeting has taken place, as per the sources, the central government has not given assurance whether the discussion will take place on the SIR or not, because as per the sources from the central government, the SIR completely lies with the EC, since EC is an autonomous body. So it will be decided later by the centre that they want to have a discussion on the SIR or overall on the complete poll reforms or not. So that's going to be later decided by the central government. But the central government really wants that the discussion should take place as far as the 150-year celebration of Vande Mataram is concerned, and some of the political parties have given assurance that yes, they will be a part of the discussion. They are going to put forward their views, but first and foremost, the government should have a discussion on the SIR. Now, parties like the Trinamool Congress and the Samajwadi Party clearly have warned the centre that if they do not allow a discussion on the SIR inside the parliament in the winter session, then there's going to be strong protest. Now, last time also we had seen that symbolic protest has been carried out by various political parties, both inside the parliament and outside the parliament, and from today it will be clear whether same tactics will be adopted by the opposition party once again or not, because as far as the SIR is concerned, whether it is a Trinamool Congress, whether it is a Congress party or the DMK, all of them are united as far as the SIR is concerned, and that is the reason why several adjournment motions have been given by different opposition leaders today, asking for an immediate discussion on the SIR issue. Now, the central government wants that there should be discussion, because time and again we had seen the condition of different session. It has been completely washed out because of continuous sloganeering, continuous protests by opposition leaders, and centre requesting that let the house functions, everything will happen as per the rule. Now, yesterday Mr. Kiran Rijiju also requested the leaders from the opposition that they should allow the house to function. It is very much important that the house should function, and everything, whatever agenda that the opposition wants that discussion should take place, will happen as per the rules and protocols of the house. But the opposition clearly want the discussion should take place first on the SIR, and it is a very important session for the NDA as well, because 14 bills are to be tabled. First of them is going to be tabled by the Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman as far as the cess is concerned, tax is concerned. So that bill will be presented by her today, and which will be followed by the other important bills which is related to education occasion as well to bring in all the regulatory bodies like the UGC and other bodies under one umbrella for better management. So these are some of the bills which has been listed by the central government, and they want that the House should function so that the discussion can take place in these important bills. Back to you.